You... No. How could it? What is this?
Are you okay?
Are you done yet? I've had enough. What are you sighing for? Hey, no, please. I didn't think you would be so mean. For 400 years, I never expected that would control me.
You drank too much of my blood.
So what? Your blood is tasty. I've held back for 400 years.